Bravo, let's not crash too much today. Or do, I don't really care anyways. Disarmed. Acro. Okay, here we go again. Disarmed. Nap time.
Hello everyone, I'm Verix, and this is my second video on my theme pack I've been making for OpenTX. Now I have adapted to EdgeTX. The installation process is pretty much the same as OpenTX. You have to extract everything from the theme pack RAR into your SD card and replace everything as a prompt. And also there's an extra step for this EdgeTX version. You go into the telemetry menu and scroll down to the theme selection. Select GLaDOS, of course, and you can see the theme color blends in much better than the default settings. If you have watched my previous video on my theme pack of the GLaDOS of OpenTX theme pack, I'm really sorry, but you need to download it again, because I just found out that I've missed a few sound files in the process of uploading my theme pack, such as the welcome voice line, which is pretty much the essence of this theme pack. So I'm really sorry, but I promise I won't do it again. EdgeTX is quite sweet in some aspects, such as this touchscreen support, but there are a few minor issues, as you can see here.
Bravo, let's not crash too much today. Or do, I don't really care anyways.
As you can see here, the welcoming message comes after the throttle warning, which is I'm pretty sure it's not the way it's supposed to work.
Switches.
But the switch warning comes after the welcoming message, which
Disarmed.
is quite weird if you ask me. And the EdgeTX doesn't allow me to change the EdgeTX icon on the top left screen here, which I changed to an Aperture Science logo back in the OpenTX version of my theme pack. But hey, just a minor issue here. It doesn't really bother me a lot. And also the shutdown icon, it doesn't allow me to change it either, which I changed to a sweet little Whitley image back in my OpenTX version of my theme pack. Yeah, it's also just a little minor issue, so it doesn't really matter that much, and I'm pretty sure all the issues I mentioned there will be fixed in the future, which is probably won't be very far future, because the EdgeTX have been updating quite frequently by the development team. They have updated to version 2.6 yesterday. I've made this version for 2.5. If you are going to use the version 2.6, it's a quite simple process to adapt to. There is a little bit of work though. You can check out the theme directory and find out quite easily. If you have issue on that, please leave a comment in the section below. I'll probably make a video on that. And yeah, that's pretty much everything I want to say about this theme pack. And if you have any suggestions on the voice lines, or actually just everything else in my theme pack, please also leave a comment down in this comment section below, of course. And I'll be really happy if you leave a like. And thank you very much for watching. I'll hopefully see you next time. Goodbye.